Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload your React app or React.js project on GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, as any project on GitHub, all you will be needing is just to create a local repository and then push it to your main or remote repository. And basically here I'm already having an Angular project, and basically it will be similar to React since it is using the Node JS. And from there you will find, or it will already have some uh, Node npm packages, etc. So make sure, or let's suppose this client is the whole React.js project. And basically the only necessary thing that you will need to have is the gitignore. And basically here we have this file, and we can simply go back, and here I have my gitignore file. So basically make sure that you have a node modules into gitignore so you cannot have it uploaded into your projects. So basically you can simply go use this tool, which is the GitHub desktop. You can click on add a local repository or new repository, and basically you need just to find your local path. That means go and choose your projects or React projects, and you can also have a git ignore for React. So this will um, have or node. So let's also search for a node one, and basically click on node, and it will already create automatically an git ignore for you, so you can have no headache for with it. And basically we'll click on create repository, and then you can click on push. So basically when you clone or when you create a local repository, you will click a push to origin, and basically you will have it pushed into your GitHub, and it will just save all the time for you. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.